Hi, my name is James and I am a doctor. If you are looking for a solution to get rid of those bothersome moles, skin tags, or moles without expensive and dangerous surgical procedures, today in this honest review of Amarose Skin Tag Remover I will tell you what is Amarose Skin Tag Remover, ingredients, side effects, benefits, guarantee, and I also have some very important warnings, so stay with me until the end of this video and pay close attention to what I have to tell you. And an important point that requires a lot of attention and care, because with the success of Amarose Skin Tag Remover, unfortunately many people are selling the counterfeit product on the internet, but this supplement is only sold on the official site and you will not find the original Amarose on Amazon or any other e-commerce. To help you, I left the link to the official site here below in the description of this video. What is Amarose Skin Tag Remover? The use of Amarose Skin Tag Remover has been utilized for millennia. Its researchers blended the potency of Zincum muriaticum and Sanguinaria canadensis in an easy-to-use, clear, odorless liquid serum for optimal wart and skin tag removal results from a simple application. Apply only a few drops to the affected area. This permits the serum to penetrate a wart or skin tag's root. This causes a surge of white blood cells to the imperfection, commencing the eradication procedure. The effective blend of Amarose Skin Tag Removal is readily absorbed by the skin, regenerating and repairing damaged skin and decreasing the appearance of dark circles and moles. The potent blend of substances replenishes the nutrition of the skin. Thus, wrinkles become less apparent. It reinforces the skin's defenses and protects it from free radical damage. The two main ingredients found in the solution include Sanguinaria canadensis and Zincum muriaticum. You can check all the ingredients and benefits on the official website. Amarose Skin Tag Remover is a powerful and unique formula that is helping thousands of people in many countries. Amarose is safe and has no side effects because it is made entirely from 100% natural ingredients. The production facility in the USA fully complies with the strict quality and potency standards set by the FDA and GMP. How to apply? You can apply a few drops of Amarose Skin Tag Remover to the skin tag afflicted region by using the bottle applicators that come with the product. The formula works in as little as 8 hours. You may notice a significant mole or skin tag reduction within just 8 hours. After multiple treatments, you may notice the mole has completely disappeared, but everybody reacts in a different way. Clinical studies show that it is better to take Amarose Skin Tag Remover consistently for at least 2 to 3 months for you to have the best results, so it is highly recommended that you take a package of 2 bottles or 3 bottles. The more bottles you buy, the more discount you will get. Another very important thing you need to know is that Amarose has a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you are not fully satisfied with the supplement, then you can request a refund from the manufacturer within 30 days of purchase. No hassle and no questions asked. This means you have nothing to lose. Conclusion: does Amarose Skin Tag Remover work? The answer is yes. There are thousands of people who are using this product and having great results. If you are thinking about buying Amarose, make sure to take your treatment seriously and you will see the results as soon as possible. And remember that you have a 30-day money-back guarantee. I hope I have helped you with this Amarose Skin Tag Remover review. I wish you get the best results and have a good self-esteem, just like thousands of people who use this product. I am sure you will. Have a great day and thank you very much for watching.